Hi everyone, this is Phil Scangas with QSG, and I'm here to take you through the first of two information gathering rounds, which will allow me to complete your Massachusetts Workforce Training Fund application for you. By now, you should have gotten round one information gathering from me via email. So please open that document up and let's get started. In column A, you'll see the state designated employee categories that we will be using for this application. All trainees will fall into one of these employee categories. In column B, please indicate how many employees from each employee category will be taking part in any form of training. Each person counts once. In column C, please indicate the average hourly wage for each group of trainees for each category. Each represented employee category should only have one value: the average of that category's group of trainees. Please include all cash earnings, incentives, commissions, and bonuses, but do not include fringe benefits such as healthcare or retirement. You will be given credit for these fringe benefits on your application. On your version of this spreadsheet, your courses will be filled in along the top row, which now contain Course 1, Course 2, Course 3, etc. For each course where there are now zeros, please indicate how many employees from each employee category will be taking that training course. All of this information will allow me to calculate the value of your company's contribution or match to this grant plan. Thank you, and as always, please reach out to me directly if you have any questions.